All right, chefs, we are in a parking lot, so the theme for your first stakeout is Tailgate.
All right.
You have 45 minutes to shop and cook, and your time starts right now. Whoa. All right. Woo. Off to the races.
All right.
Hey, sir, how you doing today? So how much you pay for your groceries?
$40 or so?
$70 for everything.
Whoa.
7, here you go.
Okay.
Take it. Have a great day. We have some oranges, sweet peppers, some hummus, lemons. Oh, yeah, some tea, cottage cheese, sour cream. Hey, the big cheese hat, right? Over here. And some broccoli.
I'd like to purchase your groceries off you if that's okay.
I would also like to purchase your groceries.
80, I got 80.
I'm gonna have to go with these.
Thank you very much.
I'm gonna give you 90.
Oh, yeah, get your backpack. Hey, thank you so much. Thanks for helping us. I got some chips, I got soup, peppers, I got some cheese, I got some chicken, and I got corn, some yogurt.
How about this? I'll give you $50 for your groceries.
There's only 2 or 3 bags, JU, so go, take it.
Okay.
All right, thank you so much. Have a good day. All right, gonna make this happen.
Oh, come on, shoppers.
All right, I got some naan bread, some Lebanese yogurt, some garbanzo beans, a mango fruit puree, some cucumbers. You know, I got some sunglasses on, some mint, tomatoes, and we also have some curry powder. You know what? It's not the ideal tailgate, but you know what? Sports are played all over the world. In India, they play cricket, so you know, let's make some kind of curry going on.
Hello, good morning, ma'am. How much did you pay for your groceries?
$35.
How about I give you 50?
Okay.
All right, there's your $50. Thank you. I got potatoes, watermelons, ramen, and mandarin oranges.
I didn't get really anything that just screams tailgate, and then I pull out pork cutlets.
Pork cutlets.
30 seconds left.
Here we go. Chips are flying.
5, 4,
3, 2, 1. Touchdown!
Fried food never looked this good.
Well, here we are at your tailgate party. Tell us what you made.
I made a Southern California-inspired pork filet with a watermelon mandarin orange chutney atop of a potato hash.
So my dish is a chickpea cauliflower curry with grilled naan bread, pickled cucumbers, and a mango yogurt cream sauce.
Today, I have made sweet pepper poppers. Inside, I have sour cream and cottage cheese. I also added broccoli drumettes and citrus hummus.
So this is game day dip with roasted corn and peppers. There's a little bit of chicken, scallion, garlic, cheese, low-fat yogurt, chips.
All right, chefs, the judges have tasted your dishes and made a decision. Judges?
Well, chefs, there was a lot of hit and misses with the tailgate theme today. The one that missed the mark the most was Chelsea.
Congratulations, chefs. You've survived. Things are about to get even more challenging. This time, you can only purchase groceries from one shopper, but I will let you look through the bags before you make your purchase. The theme for your second stakeout is a candlelit dinner. Your 45 minutes starts right now. All right, go get them.
Hey, 200. Here you go.
You got it, you got it.
Baked beans. Not really looking candlelight dinner, but I got cheese. Oh, this is vegan stuff. Oh, man. I have a salmon, got some oat milk. Oh, my God, my girl's gonna kill me. She was talking about oat milk the other day, and I said, forget that stuff. Pumpkin puree, orange juice. What is this? Barbecue jackfruit. Puff pastry? Oh, man. I wonder if I can try to use the puff pastry.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bread. Ooh, nachos. Cheese. Granola. 2 dozen eggs. Chicken, apple, sausage, tomato, spinach, and some shrimps. All right.
Yeah, all right. There you go.
I might just go in and buy it again.
That's right. Thank you. We're gonna see if we can make a miracle work with steak and potatoes.
1 minute left. If you're not plating, now's the time.
I'm gonna make it, absolutely. I am just making it look pretty.
Chefs, you're down to your last 30 seconds.
Coming down to the line, yeah. This is a candlelight dinner. Trying to make it look nice with the puff pastry. That's gonna be my star of the dish right there.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ooh.
Good job.
Chef, I've lit the candle. Tell us about your dinner.
Okay, for this round, I made a bourbon salmon en croûte with barbecue jackfruit and a pumpkin puree.
So I made a Tuscan shrimp and sausage with cream spinach.
It's a spicy date night steak with shredded and crispy potatoes.
Judges, who's gonna blow out the flame?
First of all, congratulations, Chef Amanda. You brought home the candlelight theme. Your flawless execution of the dish was outstanding. We loved it. You're safe.
Oh, thank you.
Chef Shayu, Chef Matt, that means one of you guys are going home. So while you both embraced the theme of candlelight dinner, one of you fell just a little shorter than the other on the execution side. Chef Shayu, congratulations. You just edged this one out.
Your final stakeout and your final dish can win you $10,000. Enough for a year's worth of groceries. But to walk away with that prize, you're gonna have to work for it.
All right, man.
Now in this round, you can buy food from as many shoppers as you like, and you can rifle through their bags and pick out the ingredients that you want. Sounds really good, doesn't it?
Sounds great.
Almost too good. In this round, you can only buy 5 ingredients.
All right.
The theme for your final stakeout is a fruit dessert.
Fruit dessert, okay. All right.
You guys have 45 minutes to shop and cook, and your time starts right now.
All right! So I have some apples, have some grapes, some hazelnut creamer, and eggs.
She only has 4 ingredients.
Hey, I don't get it.
I got some butter, crunchy cereal, sour cream, and cream cheese. My fruit component is fig.
Caramel ice cream. It adds crunch and sweetness to tie this all together.
I put down my cream as a base, and then now my figs. I'm feeling pretty decent with my 5 ingredients. Ingredient of my choice, what would you do? Strawberries, that'd be great.
5 minutes left.
I'm gonna take a chance. I'm gonna see what's out there. Let me go. Let me go to the store. Blackberries, raspberries, where are the strawberries? Strawberries. They have that sweet sourness that's gonna play well with the complexity of my dish. No thanks. Just pay, cash. Boom. Woo! Yo, where's the shot? Oh!
1 minute left.
Yeah, let's do this, Shay. Let's
All right,
finish
let's go.
with a
Come
bang,
on, man.
bro.
Don't make it easy for me.
Oh, don't worry. I didn't. I made a coffee tea in a parking lot.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes. All right.
Good job, man. Good job.
Chefs, you've each made your fruit dessert with food you've bought from complete and total strangers. Congratulations. Chef Amanda, tell us what you made.
Okay, today I made for you a sauteed apple and grape clafoutis with a English toffee caramel ice cream.
So my final dish is figs and cream. It's a play on strawberries and cream. So I had cooked with some golden figs, sour cream, cream cheese, butter, and breakfast cereal.
All right, judges, cough it up, man. All right, chefs, the judges have made a decision. The winning chef, walking away with $10,000, is Chef Shayu.
Good job, man. Good job.
Congratulations, Chef. Your figs and cream dessert turned out to be creative and surprising. The judges absolutely loved the flavors.
Feeling awesome right now. I just won 10 grand cooking in a parking lot. Yes! Amanda had amazing food. I definitely have much respect for her. But you know what? Today, it went my way. Thank you, Chef. I'm walking out as a champion right now.